All right, number 2, we're expanding each logarithm. This is where you got to use your properties. And it says express powers as coefficients. That means use the power rule whenever applicable. So on A, you see A is log base 3 of x times y. That's the product property. So all you have to do is, remember, if it's a product, it's like adding. So log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of y. The base needs to stay consistent, okay? That's A. So B, a little more complicated, log base 4 of x times y to the third over z. So first you want to split it up into these separate terms, okay? Remember, everything on top of the fraction, that's being added. So we have first, we got log base 4 of x, of x plus log base 4 of y cubed. I added those because they're on top of the fraction line, right? Anything on the bottom of the fraction line is going to be subtracted. So I'm going to subtract log base 4 of z. So I'm almost done here, but there's one more step that I have to do because in directions it says express powers as coefficients. That means this y cubed, I don't want to leave the 3 there. I'm going to use the power rule, power property, to bring the 3 to the very front of that term. So it's going to be log base 4 of x plus 3 times log base 4 of y minus log base 4 of z. That would be the final answer on B, the final complete answer. And then on C, what we want to do here is, first we see that 3 is being applied as a power to everything inside the parentheses, so we're actually just going to bring it to the front using the power rule. So it's going to be equals 3 ln of A over B. Then because 3 is being multiplied to everything, we're going to keep 3 on the outside and use parentheses to have the 3 distribute. And then ln of A over B is the same thing as the subtraction because it's the quotient rule. So it's going to be ln of A minus ln of B. And that would be your answer on C.